Hi, I'm Robert Shelley, and I'm here to show you a tutorial on how to create a pivot table in Excel. So the first thing you want to do is create a set of data, like this one here. Once you have all of your information entered, go up to Insert, Pivot Table. You're going to want to select all the data that you're going to use so Excel uses the correct data. And this little table pops up. I'm going to click on New Worksheet, click OK. This adds another sheet, so you can go back to your original set of data if you wish. And this is where the pivot table is actually created. So you can click on all of the different categories that we made in sheet 1 as shown up top. And this kind of breaks it down a lot easier than sheet 1 did. You can see the different employees areas, how well they did. Now we're just going to click salesperson in the order amounts. So you can see that Charlie had 3,065 order amounts. You can actually go to the arrow on row labels and select more options. You can adjust the way that it is viewed. You can do descending order by sum order amount. So you can see top person, how well he did in sales. At the bottom, the worst person, how well they did. If you want, you can click on month. It shows you the month, sum of order amount, and the person, and how well they did. You could do the same thing by clicking on row labels, more sort options, and change the way that you view it, depending on what you want to look at. Another cool thing about this is you can actually change the way that the pivot table looks simply by going down here. You can actually drag the month from rows to columns, and then adjust the way that the pivot table looks so it'll make it easier to read. You can bring that back, go over to salesperson, drop it in the columns area. It's the same thing, the people are all lined up this way, and then the months right here. You can also change this by descending order, same way in the other examples. You can do a lot of things with this to adjust the way the data is there, and it also gives you grand totals that sheet 1 does not give you. You have to do more stuff on Excel to actually get that, and the pivot table does it right there for you. The most important thing with pivot tables are they're the most useful when there's a lot of data, very detailed set of data, so that Excel will be able to understand what you're trying to graph, and it'll make your workplace a lot easier and a lot of your information easier to read for your peers. Thank you.